Bisayang informant here in South Korea. Kajan! Hello! So today's video, we're gonna make my kilay Korean style. So first, muna siya itong mga gamiton. We have string. We have black eyeliner para sa itong pattern. So, and then we have also this one, brush. And then, okay, we have this one. Nani siya, straight ni siya sa tumoy kay para straight ang atong linya later on. Idili siya baga. And then, atay, ano siya, blade. So, first is, ano siya nimo? You have to, like, just slide this one sa hilo kay para mo color siya. So, inganaon siya, guys. Okay, so first is we have to make sure that our kilay is proportioned. So first is, okay, make a line from center sa imong ilong. And then diri kilid sa ilong. This will serve as our start sa atong brows. So na natay 3 lines. So mo na siya ang start sa atong brow. So luckily akong brows kay balance ra siya. So and then atong kwaon asa iyang mo curve, asa siya mo curve. But since we will be having a straight kilay, so kwaon gyapon nato siya kay ari siya murag mo, like kita man ni murag mo arc ba, mo arc gamay. So from the middle of your nose, and then ari siya nimo from here to the tip of your eyeballs. See? So, this is how to make your kilay proportion. Para short na dili, taas ang usa kay naghiwi. So, dapat nato siyang i-proportion through these methods. This is what we call the string method. So, look straight. Tanaw ba kog straight? Look straight. And then here, middle of your nose. Do the same on the other side. Okay, so next time, okay, we have to put a line here kay para makita na to kung unsa siya kabag-on. So very simple. So you just have sa tumoy. Okay, na siya murag bone diring dapita. Actually, this is your basis para sa imong lower brow. Dapat ari siya mag-start.
So you just have, okay. And then the upper brow, kay magdepende siya unsa ka baga imong gusto. So magdepende siya kung
gaano kapakal. Kakapal yung gusto mo. Nasabi ko.
Ayaw ko namang Tagalog eh.
So I just love it to have like this because since this is straight brows, right, is we just have to like this make an arc. Okay, muna siya atong. So the same way sa ubos. So, para makita na to siya asa ta diri, asa dapit, diring dapita sa ubos. So, pangitaon nimo siya ang center. So, you just have to make like straight line. So, now, what we have to do is we have to make another string here. Another line here kay para makita na to kung so now it's time to connect. So kani siya diri, mo ni ari magsugod tong arc. So let's just have to, straight line here. Kita niyo? So now ato ra siyang i-connect. So here.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, won't get lost now.
So here, ato siyang i-erase ang extra line.
You look into my eyes and felt a feeling that nothing got it feel like a slim night. Hey, come on closer. Now I'm waiting for you, but don't hurry, I'm sorry. Oh yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make up with your twilight, my only, my bestie. To my love, let me if you want tonight. Little more shining star to the sky, looking high. All the people, you're the one and only you know. Want to be with you, call my name, love. Ooh, somebody else, and that is you. Ooh, falling in with you. Not the only one doing me. You already feel it there. Give me a little more dark in the spotlight. Do I wanna know something? You look into my eyes and felt a feeling that nothing got a dream like a slim night. Hey, come on closer now, waiting for you, but tomorrow is slowly. Oh yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make up with the twilight, my only, my bestie. To my love, let me if you want tonight. 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 Ooh, I think it's slowing down now. More give me a hug, more want to talk. A dream like a moment, fantasy. Baby, I think about you now. Yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make up with your twilight, my only, my bestie. You fall into my love. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight, tonight. Let me if you want tonight. Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you, Maria right now. You look into my eyes and felt a feeling that nothing got it feel like a slim night.
I-brush up siya sa babaw. Atong ipasaka diri. So we have to use this eyelash glue. Okay, para mapilit siya. Because water, I think, is not enough. Some liquid is not enough. So what do we have to do is, we will make it para mabarog siya. Actually, this is false lashes glue. Pero gamito na to siya kay para mapilik siya. And then, musaka siya. See? Kasi ang galing siya siyang makitaan ko sa graphic makeup. And then, let's remove the glue kaya para makita na to ang final look.